Okay, okay, okay. Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Uh, I will come India, inshallah.
You will come India. Okay.
Inshallah, inshallah. When I come India, I say I know Abdul Salam. Where is Abdul Salam?
Okay, okay. So when you come India, you will come India, then I will meet with you.
Inshallah, if Allah accept.
Okay, inshallah.
MashaAllah. What about you, brother?
I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and thank you for asking.
What do you do for your daily life?
Okay, my life so very good.
Are you a student or worker?
Sorry, brother.
Are you a student or worker?
Okay, I'm a worker.
Okay. Did you finish your university?
Yes, I have completed my graduation and now I'm looking for a government job.
Okay. Well, what's your faculty? Yeah, did you graduate it?
Political science.
Political science.
Yes, political science.
Okay, yeah, good faculty, good faculty.
Brother, where are you from?
I'm from Somalia. Did you hear Somalia?
Yes, I know Somalia.
I'm from Somalia.
Okay. Your name actually Yusuf Abdullah, like
Yusuf Abdullah Olad.
Yusuf Abdullah Olat. Okay, that's great
Olad.
name. That's great.
Olad means weapon.
Olat means
Wam. Olad means civil wam.
okay, civil wam.
Ah,
Brother, I one question for you. What is your mother language?
of Somali.
Somali.
language.
Somali.
Of Somali.
Of Somali, yes.
Can you teach me some words of India?
Yes, of course.
When I wanna to say, how are you in India?
Actually, Indian, so many languages, but my mother language is actually Bengali.
When I watch the movie
Bollywood movie, yes. Bollywood movies, Hindi language, Hindi, Marathi, Malayalam, so many type of languages.
Okay, different languages.
Different type of language in India.
I hear Punjabi.
No, I am not a Punjabi, but I am a Bengali, Bengali language. My mother language, Bengali.
Okay, well, when I want to say, how are you?
How are you? It means তুমি কেমন আছো?
তুমি কোনা মনাছো?
তুমি কেমন আছো?
Difficult language.
No, brother. It's a very simple language, but not difficult language. And Hindi language, like Bollywood movie, Hindi language is आप कैसे हो? आप कैसा हो? It's Hindi language. आप कैसे हो?
Okay, the name of the name of Hindi language.
Yes.
Okay, and they have many different between.
Yes, of course. And another language, like Assamese language, is a different language, like Assamese, Hindi, Urdu, and Malayalam, Marathi. So different type of language in India.
Okay, how many states in India?
28 states.
28.
28 states.
We are same in Somalia. 28 states.
Somalia 28 states. Okay.
28 states.
We are same.
Okay. We are same.
Yes. What time is it now, brother?
The time is 3 9 19 p.m.
9:19 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And in Indian time, 11:50 p.m.
11 p.m.
11:50 p.m.
Okay.
After 10 minutes later, 12
Uh-huh.
after 10 minutes later, 12 a.m.
12 a.m.
Yes,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Well, we are different time.
different time. Yeah, 9 like
Two or
three
about
3 hours.
hours.
3 hours different.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Uh, I will come India, inshallah.
Okay, welcome, and you will come India. Okay.
Inshallah, inshallah. When I come India, I say I know Abdul Salam. Where is Abdul Salam?
Okay, okay. So when you come India, you will come India, then I will meet with you.
Inshallah, if Allah accept.
Okay, inshallah.
Time's over, brother. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Good night. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Salaam.
Walaikum assalam.